How to add best friend on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add someone as a best friend on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, if the person is not already your friend, then you can just tap on the search icon at the top and type the username, and after that you can just tap add to send them a friend request. And here on Snapchat, best friends are created automatically based on how often you interact with someone, like sending snaps, messages, and reply to their stories frequently. And here, after you interact with someone regularly, Snapchat will automatically mark them as one of your best friend. And there you'll see a best friend emoji next to their name in your chat list as well. But here, if you like, you can also add them as your number one BFF. So here, you just have to hover over to that person profile, and here once you've found that, you can just long press on the profile name, and here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on this option that says pin user as your number one BFF. So here just do that, and once you do that, you can just tap on next and follow the on-screen prompts to add them as a number one BFF. But remember, to be able to do that, you must have the Snapchat Plus subscription. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.